We got the light on now, buddy, just like you wanted. In the garage on this beautiful Saturday night mink coat edition. Can we get an autograph? Can we?
No
How much? How
cameras.
much?
No cameras.
How much for? Oh! Are the rumors true? Did that really happen?
Did it really
no,
happen?
Did it? I don't know.
Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Okay, so I'm trying out some more products. I need to stop. Okay, but these are brow products. These are actually drugstore brand products. Before I started using any brands that were like Unique, Pharmacy, stuff like that, I did use like Maybelline products, like just random things like that. Maybelline, Revlon, like stuff like that. You guys know what I say, bougie on a budget, okay? I wanted products that like looked good, but that also didn't like affect my skin and make it, you know, just like breakouts, bumps, this, that, and the other thing. So that's actually the reason that I started looking into other brands in general, was the fact that I was getting those little bumps on my skin. I wasn't taking care of my skin, things like that. So another story for another time. But basically, I am trying these brow products from Maybelline. Good old Maybelline. Okay, I got suckered in. Like, you guys know, I'm like, I love me my pharmacy makeup, but I wanted to try these because I don't know, there was something about them. I was like, oh my God, I have to try that. So these two things that I got here, this one, I'll start with this one. I saw a lady on TikTok, of course, I saw her using this and she was just like, you know, nonchalantly, she's like, oh, you know, this is why my brows go on so dark and then they're light afterwards. And she like peeled it off and I'm like, what did you just do? So of course I'm super curious, right? And then she showed what she was using and it is this right here. Okay, so it's called Tattoo Brow by Maybelline, okay? And it says easy peel off tint. Peel off, okay? Peel off. I'm like so mind blown right now. I don't know. So I don't have my brows done. I have the rest of my makeup done, but I don't have my brows done because I wanted to try some things. And then also, you guys know I always talk about how I don't have very much hair on my brows. I'm trying to like let you guys see because I do have them microbladed, but they are kind of covered up with some of the makeup. So when I like brush it up, you can see like there's not a ton of hair there. So with the trends going, like all like these ladies with these beautiful brows and they're brushing them up and then like drawing the shape and all this, I want to do those things, but I can't because I don't have enough hair on my brows. So I've been seeing like random little things that are like, oh, they have like, it's like it puts hair strokes, like it legit looks like hair strokes. And so I seen one from Maybelline and I was like, okay, let me just try this, right? Okay, so this is, let me see, this one right here is called Tattoo Studio by Maybelline, but this one, I don't know if you can see that or not, it says Brow Tint Pen, okay, right down here, but it does these like little hair strokes. It's crazy. So I got deep brown in both of them because you guys know I like to go a little bit more dramatic. I like my brows to kind of more so match like my base color and be a little bit more prominent. So I went with dark brown. I did also order the soft brown, I think, and this one right here. So I will let you guys know what I think about that once I get that. But I just wanted to try this because I'm just super anxious, honestly, about trying this. Okay, so the pen here that does the hair strokes, I'm gonna show you the end of it here. Okay, so see the pen? See how there's like little like divots in there and it like has these little points on it? So check this out, you guys. I've already opened it and I like used it on my hand because I was like, oh my God, let me see this. Okay, so let's see here. It's really not doing it justice because I can't see what I'm doing. Okay, so do you guys see that? Like, look at that right there. Like, it just puts these like little tiny hair strokes. I think it's kind of genius because then you don't have to do like individual ones. It puts like 3 at a time on there. So maybe that's not a big deal to some people, but I'm like, my brows end way back here and I like them to kind of come a little bit more up here. And I like the look of having like the hair strokes kind of brushed up there. So I'm like, hello. So I am like so excited to try this. But this one was the one that really tripped me out. Like I said, she peeled her eyebrow off. Like she put it on there and she peeled it off. So I'm going to show you when you open this up. Okay. Okay, so when you open this up, this is what this is what the brush looks like. It almost looks like a nail polish brush, to be completely honest. So I am going to, okay, I can't see anything, but I'm gonna put a little bit here. Okay, so it looks really dark, right? And it does. It looks like a little like nail polish brush almost. So I'm gonna let this dry so that you guys can see what this actually does. I was freaking out. So I did try a little area. You guys, this is after I've like scrubbed at it with makeup remover. I was like, oh my God. They're legit tattoo brows. Oh my God. So yeah, if you see this mark over here, that was me trying to scrub this stuff off, but like it legitimately peels off like a little like rubber peel once you like let it dry. It's crazy. It's like stretchy. Like I peeled it off and I'm like, So just wait for this, you guys. So what I'm gonna do for my brows though, I seen when she was applying this to her brows, I noticed she didn't use the actual brush with it. At least for the outline, she didn't. She used like a flat angled brush, like I always use for my brows. She used a flat angled brush and she kind of like drew the shape that she wanted and then she filled them in and let them dry. Now I will say she did her brows before the rest of her makeup and then she like did her makeup while her brows were sitting and then peeled it off at the end and they looked beautiful. But my makeup is already done, so I'm going to like draw the outline, fill them in, and then we'll let them dry and peel these babies off. So let me show you what this does here once this is dry. Okay, hold on. Okay, so while this is drying, I did kind of want to try this just on my brow by itself. I was like kind of playing around with it a little bit. So this is the pen one. Okay, this is still drying. This is the pen one here that's got the little things that make the hair strokes. So honestly, what I got this for, the reason I ordered the lighter color in this one was because I thought it might be kind of a cool look to like do the lighter one, like peel it off, have just the tinted area, and then like kind of fill in with like some hair stroke looking things. But I don't know if I'll do that or not, but I did want to just kind of like try this and just see like why not, right? So I'm making like a straight line along the bottom here. And then I'm gonna bring it forward a little bit. Okay, so I'm using it like, as opposed to using it like flat like this for the hair strokes, I was turning it and using it like this to make a line. Okay, so that's what I did underneath there. So from the baseline, I think, again, this is me just like trying this. I've never tried this before, so I'm just kind of running it upwards through my brow. It's a nice color. This is the darkest one, I believe. I mean, it's giving a really nice, like, natural look to it. You guys know I'm not natural when it comes to brows, so I'm like, give me a little more. Okay, hold on. I feel like, I don't know, I feel like I need to, like, shake it or something. I feel like there's not a lot of, like, ink or whatever is in there. Tint, whatever it is. Let's try this again. It's not doing what I want it to. I mean, I like it in the front right here for the hair-like strokes, but I think that's like the only place I would use it. Like, I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Like, I feel like I got messy with it. Okay, all right, that was just kind of like wah-wah. Like, I was really excited for that one. So maybe once I get the tint under there and then put the strokes over it, like maybe I might like it. I don't know. That's not really my jam right now. Okay, all right, so look at this. Okay. Well, that's what I'll say with that. As far as for my expectations, it was kind of a dud, but maybe if like you get them kind of like brushed up, everything like that, combed into place, like all that, and then add your strokes, maybe. But as far as just like using it, just going in on your brow here and using it, I'm not a huge fan. Okay, so let me show you here so you can see where I already started to peel it up. You guys, like, look at what this peels up to be. It's, oh, I just ripped it. Don't pay attention to my nails. I need to get them done. But like, look, it's like stretchy. It's so funky. It is so funky. Okay, so let's go ahead and try this really quick on this brow. I am just going to take my flat angled brush here. Okay, take this brush right here and I'm going to dab it on the actual product brush. Okay? I feel like I'm gonna be like ripping my hairs off when I take this off. They're so dark. Okay, so I just keep getting more product on my brush here. Okay, so I have it on there, kind of like letting it dry, making sure I don't need to add anywhere. I didn't go like, I don't know, the front I normally like to have it be a little bit more airy, so we will see. Okay, we're gonna let this baby dry. I'm so nervous, you guys. Okay, all right, so let's let this dry and then I'll come back and we'll peel this off together. Okay. Okay, you guys, so it's pretty dry now. I just let it dry like a minute, a couple minutes, something like that. Okay, so I'm gonna start in the front here. I'm going to peel it off with the direction of my brows as opposed to against it. I don't know. Let's try this. Okay, can you guys see? Oop, 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 I lost it. I lost it. So I think my downfall is I didn't put it on thick enough. I mean, it looks great, the part that I have peeled off, but it's kind of tricky to get peeled off. Mine definitely did not peel off as easy as hers did. I have this stuff hanging everywhere. Oh my god. Yeah, it's like, see, this is what I was afraid of, because I'm like, how the heck is it supposed to just peel off when you got hairs on your brows? Like, how's that work? What? Okay, I feel like I'm like shedding eyebrow thing. Okay. I really thought this was gonna be a good thing. Maybe I just need to let it dry more? I don't really know. Okay, well guys, I tried and I failed. Or the products are just not living up to my standards. Okay, all right, well, there you have it. So I wanted to try these because I've been seeing them everywhere and everyone, you know, everyone makes everything look so easy on like TikTok and, you know, Instagram, like using these things. They're like, oh, just blah, 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 like do this, do that. But you guys know, I like to give y'all some real reviews here. But yeah, I don't know. It's not my fave. I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but it's not my fave. It's not my fave. Maybe if I worked with it a little bit more, maybe. I don't know. So these two products right here, drugstore brand. Yeah, maybe, sorta, kinda. Oh my god. Okay, well, it's probably not something I will use like on the daily. If anything, I might use the hair stroke one just for like the front of my brows, and that's pretty much it. But beyond that, I'm probably going to be sticking with my brow stamp stencil kit. If you haven't seen that video, definitely check that one out. That one went a little bit better. That was like a pull it off and pull like the stencil away, and I was just like I was speechless because it actually looked really good. So that's probably what I'm gonna stick with, but I might keep playing around with these. I don't know. I'll let you guys know if I find something that I like a little bit more, like a technique or something to this. Like I said, this was my first time trying it on my brows on camera here. First reaction, initial reaction here. So thanks for hanging with me while I'm acting like a goofball here. But it looks really good on your hand. It just, you know, and it stays on really good, but I don't know, maybe I didn't leave it on long enough. We'll see. We'll see. Trial and error. We'll try some more things and then I will be back to update. Anyways, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I appreciate it. Drop any comments down below. If you guys have used either of these products and you have some tips for me, drop them in the comments. I will definitely try it because I don't want to give up on these just yet because they looked awesome when people used them. So let me know your tips and tricks. And also, if there's something else that you guys want me to try, let me know. Drop it down there. And then don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.